In this video, we'll show you to download and install texture packs for Minecraft Java. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So to download it, you can go to CurseForge.com, and once you're here, you want to go to the Minecraft section and then go to Browse All. On the left tab, click on Resource Packs, and you'll have many options you can download and install. Here, I want to download and install this texture pack, Mrs. Realistic. I can click on it to go to the page, and then I want to go to the Files tab. Here, you want to download the correct version. You can see the game version supported here. Alright, I want to download this one, so I can click this three dots and hit Download File. Now you save it somewhere on your PC, hit Save, and the download will start. A big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, and their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in just minutes. Using Apex Hosting also supports the channel, so thank you so much. You'll have your resource pack in a zip file. Now to install it, you can open up Minecraft Launcher and then go to Installations tab, look for your Minecraft installations, and click the folder icon on the right. Once you're here, you want to go to the Resource Packs folder and simply drag and drop your texture packs into this folder, just like that, and that's done. Inside Minecraft, go to the pause menu and then go to Options, Resource Packs, and then click this arrow to select your texture packs. Make sure your main texture pack is on the top, hit done, and there we go.